Now you press host again. So it will go to the next station for setting. So the next station, you will need to set it here. So when it turns to this station, you can press host again to stop it. 你把它调自动了吧？And you 等一下。And you press this one.
这高度可以调的啊。
And to adjust the height, you could loose the screw, unloose the screw to adjust the height to press the tube. And now you can see now it's the tube height is already set. And this one you could adjust here to move the color mark. To move the color mark to be higher because now you do not have the color mark, so we fix it here.